Hi everyone, here is step-by-step guide how to log out from your profile on Venue application. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. So first of all, open up your application, and once we're here, we can tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once we're here, we can tap on gear at the top right corner. And now midway down you can see log out button. Let me tap on it. And after that, in new windows that appear, you can see, are you sure you want to log out? Yes, log out. So, and now as you can see, I successfully log out from my Venue application profile. So that's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Venue application.